Today we are making this easy 3-ingredient fudge. You can get the link in the description below. This Andy's Mitts fudge is one of our most popular recipes. Let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to take 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, put it in a microwave-safe bowl. You're going to add 1 bag of chocolate chips. Make sure it is 12 ounces and not 10. This recipe will not turn out if you use less than 12 ounces of chocolate chips. Then we're going to microwave this until the chocolate chips are melted. I add in 2 tablespoons of butter. This is optional, but I think it makes a smoother fudge. Stir until well mixed. Then I'm going to add a capful of peppermint extract. Then for this mint fudge, I add a few Andy's chopped up chocolate chips. Pour into a greased container. Spread until smooth. Then I'm going to sprinkle a few more Andy's on top. Refrigerate until firm, and then we're going to cut it into pieces. It will take 3 to 4 hours to set up in the refrigerator, then slice into pieces and serve. If you want to eat better and spend less, please check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook. Go to livingonadime.com. This recipe is in the link in the description below.